everyone, welcome back to Cook with Yesmeena. Today I will be showing you how to make my favorite tuna pasta salad. I will be using these fresh, vibrant vegetables that will add color, crunch and much needed nutrients to your diet. I'm using organic rotini pasta, but you can use any shortcut pasta that you like. Let's start off by boiling our pasta in salted water for about 8 minutes or until al dente. These are the vegetables that I have on hand, which I like to use, but the beauty of this recipe is that it is so versatile. I mean, you can add any vegetable of your choice. Marinate the pasta with Italian salad dressing. I'm using the store-bought, which you can see on the top right corner. If you wanted to, you could use either homemade or one of your favorite bottle of Italian salad dressing. I'm adding tuna because it's light and it goes really well with the flavor. But you can also make this dish with other seafood, you can make it with chicken or just keep it vegetarian. Once I'm done with mixing, I'll pop it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to get it nice and chill before serving. And here we have a really nice, light, flavorful and fresh salad to enjoy as a side or main, perfect for barbecues and potlucks. And you know what else? It will definitely impress all your guests. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Till next time!